morning tapanguussiaasit anna ullumikkut terajuat, which means ullun tulluutun nersissen piarsertaarasuuna, and I got lots of plans for today. Okay. Premiere aunammassiuseqqammerpoq qintaerluni. And I had to start over again. Crash out of nowhere. I hope it doesn't crash because it takes time. It's been an hour ago. It's wasted time. See? What the hell? Alright, it seems like I got 10 minutes. Okay, we need to take that. And this. The complimentary video of the view. Can I see how I pass this to me? That was stupid. Okay, let's try that again. Well, that was unexpected. Alright, that was underwhelming. Okay, video upload after that, maybe I should try a real snowboard first. I need laughing much. Hey, welcome back. What? No one cares what I'm eating? Okay, silaqlussuup angunginnaatigut. We need to do a little ukionni pisimasut eqqartulaarsu sinnaassuakka. This is day 2 of today's vlog. Ipassarnaggisingituaku kisannullumik naggiseriannaaq. Kisiat ukionni pisimasut nuannertorissuupput angusaqangaatiarpungut. Angalagaatiarpaamauqarsinnaaruma. Kisanni januarimi sommerferie tungaanut pisuqarpiingila because antaarilusuliinaavikkatta pausissanata just all work katersillutu sommerferiernissutinut kisanni sommerferielaataat ilulissiarpungut antariap angayoqqaanaapipakka sveriliarpungut angayoqqaakkanaapippai taalusapaatikkunner pingasikkupiнарууннииллата, which is the best time of my year. Oqaannersinu, it's the highlight of my year. It's been so nuang kamataatitartorpungut nutaanik nalungisartaarpungut. Well, yamisaallaqteqqippara ukiataasingerissuaq attornikuunera akilaerluun everything. So qarsappunga I might as well just start a blog. I started a blog тассангааниллингерлаториорникуарам Facebook кимуилисиунгимма 5 videos мааннерту таанна the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Chubby Bunny. So sure we had so much fun. Taudu YouTube imikusion unilengullu 30 videos ukiommanna. Ayungillat аллартиарсимасинааlarpo trayo videot trayoat not bad. Well, nutami initarpun, that's a big plus. Imallaat inittularpu ininngorput and there's more room for creative space. Vlog allartippo nunisartorissuunga allartikekkilli it's been a journey. The eggs taudu egomil takkuut no. It's one of my favorite Taudu Pasta Maria. It's one of the top videos vlog allartikekkuli. Hvad? Var det det? Og det var kun Pasta Maria. Taudu nakhattut. Jeg blev årets elev i KNR 2016. It's been a fantastic year. Itomortumik atausimatama ukiosartinimunga atausimatam productivity-munga. I haven't really felt this sensation of assortlunga tuaviorlunga taudu productivity-lunga since 2013. Apparama social referencebar. Without her, I wouldn't be here. Nalungita inuparu qasarat 2016 it's the worst year. But if you're not affected by it, I salute you. Really, I salute you. Ukioman, it's been a fantastic year. And piffissartaanna tunniunerarsimasuatsinnut atorluarsimassaagit aipuaamat 2017 ajunginnermik suliaqarnersimik kusanarnerm better results 2017 armillaatorumarit kisen qonarsuisiinarsinnaavit vlogi taarudu ukiutullissaatakoqqikkumaarpuut